frustrating, fun, complicated. Some parts were a little scary.
I think I would describe it as an experience which builds kind of things that you don't learn in school necessarily, to real life situations. I think it's a way for people to learn how much they can do together.
One of the hardest things for me was communication, and that was a really important thing. In the World Peace Games, you have to talk to everybody about peace treaties, trade agreements, how you're going to solve crises.
The games had all sorts of twists and turns. You had to correctly word all the documents, otherwise the peace treaties and trade agreements, otherwise they weren't valid. If you have a problem, that can really throw everybody off track.
Because you get so many responsibilities. You get to have your own country. You have to solve 23 crises in a couple of days.
They were kind of stressful, not just kind of stressful, they were really stressful. But that's what made it awesome. You needed to work as a team together. You can't just move a power plant. I had to move a power plant away from a volcano. That cost lots of money, so stuff can't just be done right away.
I think I learned problem solving because so I made an invention, but it didn't work on the first day. So it kind of led me to keep on trying again. So I made multiple different things.
I was the chief financial officer for one of the countries, and it was really hard because my country was add this to our budget and subtract this from our balance. It was really okay. Okay.
There's a ton of problems in the world that have to be solved that you can't just say oh, I'm just going to spend money on this and then it's going to be solved, because there's way more to just solving crises by just giving money. Playing the World Peace Games is a big deal, and it's I love the World Peace Games, and I love having the opportunity